encouragement for today is, keep me as the apple of your eye, hide me in the shadow of your wings. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. Yes, honey. So yes, check this wig out. So you know your girl had to sponsor herself. That's right, I am sponsoring myself. So this wig is brought to you by me, my hair company, which is The Wonderful World of Hair. I will leave links down below. She is Patricia. That is her name. That's right, y'all. So you already know the drill. I'm showing you what's in the wig, what is coming with, stuff like that. The lace is super soft. You got the combs for the front of your head. And for this wig, I just threw on my black cap, but you already know what to do. I already showed y'all how to get them realistic parts, okay? But yes, so I'm super excited because your girl finally opened her business. Now, I know it ain't much, but you got to start somewhere, right? Okay. So right here, I'm just showing you the parting, and you see you still get a part in there. You still get a realistic part. And it's very, very deep. It is a 5x5 lace closure. I want to say that the lace is very, very soft, very moldable, and just amazing. Like, I was like, okay, so you know I gotta be the first one to test my own product out. Like, hello, I'm not gonna just sell this to y'all and not try this out. So okay, this one is 20 inches, and that is where Patricia is coming on me. So I just pulled that down for you guys can see how long it comes. I also showed you how long it is in the front. And look at the movement and body on this wig. Child, please. And that's without me doing anything. So let's go ahead and go right into this install. But before we do, I do want to take the time out to say thank you to all my new subscribers. You guys rock. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Y'all make it do what it do. And let's go ahead, boo. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So I did want to mention that Patricia is also 150 density, which means she looks more realistic to me. She's not that overly stuffed full wig that you know you see some people with. And you're like, girl, you know that ain't your hair. But she's just the right amount of hair, and I like that because it gives for a more natural look. Not only are you getting a 20-inch wig, sis, but you're also getting a Brazilian body wave, okay? 100% human hair Brazilian body wave, baby. Yes, 5x5 lace closure, and she also comes with really long baby hairs. So you guys probably see that by now. It's so cute. So I absolutely love that. Also, I will be including a separate elastic band for your pleasure. So if you want to make this a glueless unit, all you have to do is sew in that extra band. But for me, I got a big head, sis, okay? And this wig is fitting. It's fitting comfortably. And I've actually got more room. Like, I actually made this wig very, very tight in the back. And it's fitting very snug like a rug. Y'all, don't mind how ashy my hands are. Like, your girl woke up. She was like, yes, it's go time. Let's take a shower. Let's do this video. I miss you guys. And I'm also going to be posting more on the regular. So now we're just going to go ahead and get into styling this unit. Y'all, don't ask me what happened to my little toothbrush, baby hair brush. I couldn't find it for the life of me. So I was like, you know what? We just gonna use what we got. Okay, sis? So that's what we're doing. So I just grabbed any old brush, and I still got them baby hairs down, right? Okay. But yes, we're gonna get into styling the unit, and you guys are gonna see that right here. I'm gonna show you everything that I used to style this unit, just in case you want to pick some of these things up. I will definitely leave the links down below. You can get all this stuff, or almost all this stuff, on Amazon, and that's pretty much where I got it. Hopefully they're still available, but like I said, I'll leave you guys the links down below. All right, keep watching. I was literally telling myself, oh yeah, I should have put the glove on the other hand. So it came with 2 gloves, but I only chose to put one on, and I should have just put both on so I wouldn't have to go back and forth changing hands. But you are going to see that by the end of this video, I just took the whole dang glove off. I was like, throw the glove away, sis. Throw the glove away. If you made it this far in the video, congratulations. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for your girl, because that's how we're going to get this out to the YouTube algorithm. Okay? Yes. Y'all, I'll be having a blast up in here talking to my dang self. Like, did y'all see me? Yo, that is hilarious. You see me? Look, I'm just talking to myself. But I think what I was saying was that, yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and put the glove on the other hand, right? Is what I was saying to myself. But listen, guys, just keep watching. Everything comes together. You guys already saw from the beginning clips. Like, the hair is beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I absolutely love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys keep on watching. How happy I am. Do you see the little cheesy face I make? Oh my goodness. I am super happy and super excited and so grateful. Like, you have no idea. This is a major accomplishment for me. And I just want to thank you guys, and be sure to check out my website. Your girl's definitely going to leave the links down below. But y'all see how this came out? Flawless, honey. So as you guys can see right here, I decided to add a little bit more height and volume to it. And I was like, yes, honey, that's what I'm talking about. I was like, yeah, that looked good. Yo, I stayed talking to myself, but it's all right. I got y'all, right? And I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. Be sure to check the description box for the link for my website. And yes, honey, now is the time. Start doing the dang thing. Start promoting yourself. Start doing what you need to do to be great in this world. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye for now.